welcome to our channel All is Gold with Val Sree.
Today we are introducing a new segment through our channel called Technology, which will be helpful for professionals, students and those who are looking for a new job in their career.
ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നത് കുറച്ച് എക്സൽ ടിപ്സ് ആണ്. അത് എല്ലാവർക്കും വളരെയധികം യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കും.
So those who wish to know more about Excel, please do comment in our comment box below so that we'll be coming up with more demanded topics.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു നോക്കൂട്ടോ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ കൂടുതൽ എക്സലിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയാൻ താല്പര്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ വന്ന് കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുക.
Here we go with our Microsoft Excel tips. Our facilitator for the day is Sumesh PS. He is having 20 plus of experience in IT industry. So over to you, Sumesh.
Thank you, Val and Sree, for your kind gesture. Hi everyone, myself Sumesh. People call me as PS. I have more than 20 years of experience in IT sector. So today we are going to discuss about 3 tips which will be useful for any professional which use Excel. We can go to the first one. Yeah. So in this tip, I have 9 job roles. I want to insert a row between each job roles. That's the goal. The output should look like this. Okay. So let's watch how can we achieve that. So first thing is we have to input serial numbers here. So let me do that first. Just copy, keep the cursor in the bottom, paste, select the entire data, go to data sort and sort by column A, click OK. The output is ready. Simple, right? Hope everybody understands this. Okay. Let's move to the next tip. Again, we have the same job roles, but this time we are expecting a different output. So our goal is to make that input into this particular format. That means here you can see each line or each record is duplicated. It's showing 2 times, correct? So let's try to do that. So first we have to input the numbers. Just copy these numbers towards the bottom and select this data. Go to sort, select column A, click OK. Now select this particular column, then press Ctrl G. Ctrl G will take you to the go to menu. There you have to click on special. In the keyboard you have to press Alt S. It will take you to the go to special menu. There you have to select blanks. You just have to press K and click OK. Now you can see that all the blank values in the selected area is selected. Next step is type equals. Using the up arrow, just use the up arrow and select the first record and press Ctrl Enter. Now you can see each record is duplicated. This is what our goal was. Hope everybody understand. Okay, let's go to the last and the third one. In this case, it's little different. We have the product column and the category column. In the product column, we have 77 records, and in the category, we have 7 records. The output or the goal is to make the data like this. That means there will be 7 records for each category against the product, because we have 7 products and with same category. The data should be like that. That's our goal. Okay. So let's see how we can do that. So now you can see that in the category we have 7 records. So the logic is, first number the data. We have 77 records. Just copy, and as I mentioned earlier, keep the cursor after that cell, paste it. So we have pasted 1 time, so total of 2 times is there. Third one, again go to the bottom, paste 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have pasted 6 times, so total of 7 times we have the data. Now select column B and column C. Column B is the serial number we just pasted, and column C is the column which we have the product data. Select the entire records, go to data tab, click on the sort button, column B, sort by, click OK. Now you can see that each record is having a blank cells for 6 blanks. Means actually 6 blanks are there, right? So we have to fill these blanks, correct? That's our goal, first step. Okay. So keep the cursor, come down, keep the cursor in the bottom, go up, select the cell, Ctrl G, Alt S, K equals. So this is the same step which we have done for achieving goal 2. Up arrow, Ctrl Enter. Now you can see that the first word chai is repeated 7 times. Same way, all the 77 records will be repeated 7 times each. So one part is done. Now what we have to do is we have to bring this value against each cell or each data. So again we have to come back to the bottom, keep the cursor here, Ctrl Shift up arrow, select the entire data, again Ctrl G, paste special, blanks, enter, then equal to up arrow. By using the up arrow, we have to select the first record. Here in this case it's beverages. Then press Ctrl Enter. Now you can see that this 7 records will be copy and pasted towards the bottom also. That means you see here, against each record in product, the same data will be copy and pasted till the end of this 77 records, which is same as the output or the goal we are expecting. So that was a quick 3 tips or the tricks. Hope you all enjoy this. Try this trick at your work, or if you are trying Excel, if you are a starter in learning Excel, you can try that, understand the logic. There are a lot of things which we can do by using Excel. So happy learning. Thank you. Bye.
you, Sumesh, for this wonderful and